Welcome to this technical guide on smart home wiring, focusing on avoiding common DIY mistakes and applying professional best practices. We begin by exploring a frequent issue, the neutral wire mystery, and why modern switches often fail in older homes. About 90% of smart switches require a neutral wire. They are miniature computers needing constant power to maintain connectivity for their Wi-Fi or Zigbee radios, even when the lights are off. Unlike a traditional switch that simply breaks the hot wire, a smart switch acts as an active load. It requires a complete circuit, including the neutral wire, to power its internal components. The neutral wire's role is critical. It provides the return path for current, prevents flickering in low-wattage LED bulbs, ensures radio connectivity, and complies with modern NEC codes. In older homes with switch loops, electricians often encounter only hot and switched hot. The professional solution is identifying and pigtailing into the true neutral bundle, avoiding the dangerous mistake of connecting neutral to ground. Common DIY failures include creating a bootleg neutral, which is energizing the grounding system and a shock hazard. Other issues are box fill overload and load mismatch, leading to arc faults, ghosting, or humming. Smart home integration trends show a significant rise in demand. The need for neutral wires in switch boxes has tripled in the last 6 years, reflecting modern smart switch requirements. Regarding stability, switches requiring a neutral wire offer 98% stability. In contrast, power stealing, no neutral, switches often drop off the network, especially with LED loads under 10 watts. For situations where no neutral is available, there are solutions. These include Lutron cassetta, bypass capacitors for low-wattage LEDs, and some inbox dimmers. Be aware of each option's reliability and restrictions. To achieve a professional finish, always label everything to save future service hours. Use deep boxes for bulkier smart switches, and ensure AFCI compliance so that smart switches do not trigger sensitive arc fault breakers.